You know, the weather was gorgeous. We've got another gorgeous day tomorrow and Saturday, so we're kind of on a roll, though it is a little bit chilly, and I know we've been sneezing and sniffling. So I thought I'd show you one of the reasons why. We've got beautiful flowers that are blooming. This is a petunia, and then you can see the azaleas, all bright and colorful. It's really the trees, though, that are leafing out, and all of those weeds that are blooming, causing the problems with your allergies. So we can check and see what's happening. We really could have used the rain to kind of wash out the atmosphere, but only in Slidell last night did you get a decent shot at some rain, about 1/3 of an inch. Some showers are well offshore, and there is a little bit of high-level cloudiness. In fact, the crescent moon is setting right now, and you can barely make it out. But clouds at this point at about 25,000 feet, and that may prevent the temperatures from dropping quite as much. But it's chilly out. We're in the upper 40s. North Shore, low 50s. Mississippi Gulf Coast, home is 50 over at the airport, 61 degrees. A lot cooler than we were yesterday at this time, by 11 to 20 degrees. So you can definitely feel the chill thanks to that cold front moving through. The wind's a little lighter on the North Shore, which is one reason why you're going to be having those temperatures drop a little more. South Shore, more of a breeze, especially at the lakefront where it's up to 23 miles per hour. A few other locations reporting wind gusts of 20 miles per hour. As we go into the morning, low temperatures upper 30s to the low 40s for the North Shore, low 40s for the Mississippi Gulf Coast. South Shore, we may need to bump some of these temperatures up, but generally in the low 40s to near 50 degrees. And then as we go into the day tomorrow, warming up, high temperatures are going to climb into the mid to the upper 60s, even near 70 degrees over towards Hammond and Baton Rouge. So you definitely need a sweatshirt, a jacket in the morning, then we'll warm up pretty quickly. Here is a look at the big picture. High pressure is moving to the east, so we'll begin to pick up an easterly flow tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, a really beautiful day with highs in the upper 60s. Then as you go into Saturday, you'll notice some high clouds beginning to move in. Still a great day. High temperatures near 70 degrees because we're picking up more of that southerly flow. Then as we go into your Sunday, slight chance of rain, still a decent day. After all, it's the weekend, right? High temperatures in the low 70s. So chilly tomorrow, near 40 to near 50. Cool mornings, mild days for Friday and Saturday. Slight chance of rain for Sunday, but our rain chances are going up for Monday and Tuesday. Hit 67 degrees today, just below the average. Across the area, generally in the upper 60s with all of that sunshine and the breeze. It felt so good, but we do have small craft advisories in effect, so be aware of that. Tidal range not so great, but beginning to improve. Here is a look at your forecast right there at 9 o'clock. We're in the mid 50s, noontime low 60s. High temperatures climb into the upper 60s. Look at that sunny sky, just breezy conditions at times. Saturday, the high clouds. Sunday, slight chance of rain, highs in the low 70s. Then as you go into the week, Monday, we're picking up a southerly flow, warming up. Rain chances go up as a warm front approaches. Late Tuesday, cold fronts moving through. That's when we'll have a decent shot at some rain and storms. And then Wednesday and Thursday looking pretty nice.